Do you want to go on an adventure with me?
No.
Jeffy, be nice.
Great! But we can't go on an adventure without my friend Sandals the monkey. Can you help me find him?
He's behind the tree.
Where is he?
I said he's behind the tree, but you can't hear me because it's a TV!
Where?
Say it louder, Jeffy. Maybe she didn't hear you.
He's behind the tree!
Where?
The tree! Behind the tree!
Where?
I swear to God, if you say where one more time, I'm gonna lose my...
Jimmy, calm down.
But he's behind the tree, Daddy!
I know, he's behind the tree.
Where?
Oh my God, Daddy! Take me to the jungle because I'm gonna strangle her!
Oh, Jeffy, just calm down. Say it one more time. Maybe she'll hear you this time.
But the monkey is right behind you!
Where?
I literally can't help you. It's right there. It's not my fault you can't see it. Daddy, she's blind. Legally blind.
Oh,